Kedam tang jang mini phai great proxy urmiar ni West Karbi Anglong pen Meghalaya hoi kedo Khanduli long kedo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council entry tax gate chobang atum wangsi nang pri edlo bangso jok hin hina hoi kedo rada tuma phan monsam ke pathir je phan pura Juwai along Jendia Hills ta pen West Karbi Anglong District Administration ang pong chingwai padupon lo Khanduli konat ahoy si ahok pet pen kido mamate Meghalaya mamate West Karbi Anglong District Assam arlo ma lapen bang soalong kopia thesi lapu analam ki kai kiamat ki klang verba bang soalama puthak kidam tang jang mini phai crazer ke barni Juwai along kachingwai padupo
Karbi Anglong kaparlo mate West Karbi Anglong kaparlo I along tax gate sitame latum pridak no me thor tekang edlo ampar sitame ladak alang tu mahavar posi alang tu cekrong tip lo ari ke jong kapang tang lapen kang cek lakatu ka pe hewis dolo lapen hala suhut Assam police atum da dolo lapen additional SP ladak West Karbi Anglong district pas tami hadak dodun lo cetong lo lapen border magistrate tami hadak cetong lo alang litum ang no amasi council tax gate abang ke frikang dak lo lapen development hadak ki pipon street lights ta mi hadak pai no te kang edlo lapen pinpur me ong dung aning kan sita me dak council hin pen development ki pidam chia phan asona scheme deng ponlo lapen hadak arada phan mathasi waiting set sita me ki kinam ya phan side deng ponlo sita me apong tin sita me latum ka khamthi ason dolo
Bangso Hud West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Sangpi Krishna Barua kaningje pon atengki laso puthak abangki kicheng ahoy ke thak cheng hud Assam lapen Meghalaya state sarkar dum chilang pamira halaso hud ke thaga teng pen jongsi ot thip pulote bangso hoy alam ki aputhak monsam ban thekta hai pusi ningje pon
solution with the both state has to meet, the regional committees have to meet, then we have to bring the maps or whatever is there with the geological survey of India. So there all demarcation and boundaries are already there. So those maps will have to be consulted. Then between the two states, then only we can resolve the issue.
Kidam tang mukro hawar long ason abi aphik kibunang ason dokok na pu amatsi bangso hud radaphan kapathenga saya bangke klempon pedal.
Like as we said, our police force has to be prepared. They have to have the protection gears with them. At that time, although our police forces are there, we have asked them to restrain so that no such incidents happens, whatever happened in Mukro, so that we cannot, we don't want to have this kind of incident again. So from our side, there is restraints. That's why we didn't allow any forcibly nothing is done on the crowd. But from the next time onwards, we are going to tackle crowds in a better way.
Khanduli along tax gate ki pripona dimalong monsam ki bathirja phan isi regional border committee seng ponlo bangso committee along abangke hin state along penta member dodunpo laso committee hin pen abangke ahoylam ki abangke an pen kapa me ponjia phansi bor ipon poputa DC pen ningje pontu.
We had a fruitful discussion yesterday with the DC West Jentia Hills, where the council, the West Jentia council members were also there. Means the main discontention is just because those people living there in Khanduli area, they think that it is their land. But as per our revenue record, it falls under West Karbi Anglong district. So it has to be resolved amicably between both the state. Otherwise, this kind of incidents, this distrust will always be there. So our effort will be to instill confidence among the grassroots people who are living there. There will be more coordination with the police administration. We already had a good, very coordination, but in the constabulary level, there should be more coordination. Then the frequent visits of both the SPs of both the state or both the districts will be there, so that no such kind of incidents happens.
Hamren Ben Daniel Inghi, Karbi Anglong Live.